Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can access the master slide menu in your presentations on LibreOffice Impress in 2026. For example, if you'd like to use that menu to apply changes to a set of slides in bulk for your presentation using the master slide menu or features. So let us dive into this. All right, so guys, let me navigate to a presentation here on LibreOffice Impress that features more slides like this one. Right click into one of your slides here at the top. I will start with the first one, and then you can navigate to the slide master by clicking to change slide master here, and you can select the slide design that may be applied to the entire presentation with a structure like this, for example, or this one, or this one. I will go with this one, click into OK, and that's basically it. The design will then be used for that. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed this, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.